Shino kids! Let's do a reading comprehension. In this, first I will read a passage and then I will ask some questions regarding that passage and you have to answer them. Are you ready, kids? Let's start. Passage: Benny the Bunny. Benny is a bunny. He is soft and white. Benny loves carrots. He hops in the grass. I will read the passage once more. Benny is a bunny. He is soft and white. Benny loves carrots. He hops in the grass. Kids, now I will ask you some questions. Question number 1. What kind of animal is Benny? Option A, dog. Option B, bunny. Option C, cat. Yes, the correct answer is option B, bunny. Benny is a bunny. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 2. What color is bunny? Option A, brown. Option B, white. Option C, black. The correct answer is option B, white. He is soft and white. So, Benny is white in color. Question number 3. Where does Benny hop? Option A, in the water. Option B, in the house. Option C, in the grass. The correct answer is option C, in the grass. He hops in the grass. So, Benny hops in the grass. Question number 4. What does Benny like to eat? Option A, carrots. Option B, apples. Option C, bananas. The correct answer is option A, carrots. Benny loves carrots. Let's move to the last question. Question number 5. Is Benny soft? Option A, yes. Option B, no. The correct answer is option A, yes. He is soft. So, Benny is soft. Thank you, kids. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.